Hello.
Hi, who is speaking?
You don't recognize me. I am your lover.
Excuse me, I never had a loved one.
With whom you could not live without talking one day. Forget him.
Can't remember exactly. I didn't have anyone like that.
But this time it is becoming more excessive with me. I'm your lover.
Your words are wrong. I'm hanging up.
If you don't get a good morning message, your day would not be good. He could not sleep if he did not hear the word good night.
How did you spend this? Blood is not coming out. Why are you so indifferent? You can't do a single thing properly.
Ops. My hand was cut.
It is the same as you left it. Not a bit changed.
I did not cut anywhere.
Don't know. I don't want to say anymore.
I was joking with you.
No, I don't love you a bit.
Do you know me now? Tell me, how are you?
We're not. Why should I care?
I mean, are you still the same?
No, nothing like that.
Do you still love me?
Why should I just be proud of you? What are you to me?
So why is it still so much today? Do you care about me?
I have no girlfriend.
I understand that very well. If I do something small, you become restless.
You will not call me dear.
Don't you hate me a lot?
I said no. Don't tell me this. Go tell your boyfriend.
Oh well, so tell me, how is your girlfriend?
So why did you leave me?
Because my boyfriend still has no girlfriend.
I understand that. So why don't you tell me these things?
I will say 1,000 times.
No, not at all.
Don't talk too much about this. Without you, I had no one and will have no one.
What can I do now?
I really didn't want to leave you. But tell me what to do. Parents gave condition. Either you have to leave or they don't. Both of us were not of marriage age then. No, you could fulfill your parents' dreams. No, I could. I used to cry every night secretly for you. I prayed to God, I can spend the rest of my life with you. I still love you like before. My love for you has not decreased a bit.
Do you think I can survive?
Will you adopt me again?
I understand that you have never been able to do it.
But I have been waiting for you for so long.
You are yours. You are yours. And you will be.
Honestly, if I don't get you, I won't be able to live.
This is not.
So why don't you take it? Take me back.
Will you never leave me? Do you know how much I had to leave you? How many sleepless nights I spent thinking about you?
So you have been doing drama for a long time.
Love like this all your life, dear. And never cry to me.
I love you so much. You know.
I love you so much, crazy.
This crazy will never leave you anywhere. I promised. I will never leave you. I love you, Jan. I really love you.